There should be no morality attached to anger and survival responses when we are talking about renegotiating trauma. For most people, they fall into one of two categories. The first is either you were around really angry people, and so you decided that you were never going to become like them. But what did happen is you got yourself stuck in really low states of being, like powerlessness and despair. If you're on the other side of the spectrum, you were not equipped at all to deal with the lower states of being, and that felt much less safe, so you decided to actually own the anger and stay on the surface out of those lower emotional states. So in this case, anger kind of acts like a buoy or a cover. If you fall into the second category, you're going to have to drop beneath the anger so you're not getting stuck in it to what's actually underneath it, so you can come back to a place of homeostasis. And if you fall into the first category, we have got to get rid of the moral judgment that you've put on top of anger. It's just survival energy, and we have to peel back that icky moral label in order for you to be able to take your power back and take your sovereignty back, because that anger that you're not feeling is actually really needed to come back to homeostasis. Get rid of the judgment, you get rid of the shame, you get closer to healing.